Tension appears to be brewing within the parliamentary opposition as one of its members have been replaced on a parliamentary oversight committee. The country learned yesterday that Damion Crawford will no longer be a member of the PAAC. Details in this report. Tongues have been wagging for several weeks about Damion Crawford's future as a member of the Public Administration and Appropriations Committee, PAAC. And when he was absent from the January 27 meeting, where members drilled the JPS, concerns heightened. Fast forward to Tuesday's meeting of the lower house, where a leader of government business made this announcement.
Be it resolved with reference to the resolution approved by this Honourable House on October 21, 2025, appointing a Public Administration and Appropriations Committee, that the name Damion Crawford be removed from the membership of the committee, and that the name Alfred Dawes be substituted thereof. Madam Speaker, I further beg to give notice.
There has since been speculation that Mr. Crawford was booted by the leadership of the opposition. However, well-placed sources revealed that it was Mr. Crawford's decision to step away. TVJ News understands that he'd taken issue with how he was being treated at PAAC sittings, particularly by the chairman Peter Bunting, when he sought to pose questions. There were two incidents which has stood out. On December 10, 2025,
Mr. Crawford, after you've gone about 7 or 8 questions, I think you could stop and allow other members.
With due respect, Chairman.
And allow other members. And we can come back to you. We can come back
no problem if you want to come back, but I'm not going to be hastening not to ask
No, I'm not saying that you must ask questions.
All right, fine. So you can come back.
And the PAAC sitting on January 14, 2026.
There is no recommendation from the Ministry of Labour to those persons as to how you would prefer for them to be treated?
Well, I don't know if the arrangement is temporary or if it's a closed contract. Then if the contract is terminated, then the procedures would apply.
We're moving into the realm of speculation because the PS couldn't know what the terms of these contracts are.
No.
Chairman, I don't know if you can allow me to participate in the committee, but I find that you consistently answer the questions I'm trying to understand.
I have to maintain a balance.
It's further understood that concerns were brought to the attention of the opposition's leadership, but Mr. Crawford was not satisfied with how the issue was handled, and so he subsequently resigned from the committee. Mr. Crawford's replacement is Member of Parliament for South East St. Catherine and Opposition Spokesman on Health, Dr. Alfred Dawes. We tried to get a comment from Mr. Crawford on the issue, however, up to news time there was no response. While changes to parliamentary committee are not uncommon, the circumstances surrounding this are likely to fuel further debate in the days ahead.